Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to explain to you the fastest way to profitable trading. It doesn't matter whether you're trading forex, stocks, futures, CFDs, it all applies. And it's particularly relevant because I'm going to share my own story or experience with you, which you'll probably be able to relate to. I won't beat around the bush. I'm going to tell you now exactly what the fastest way to profitable trading is, but hang around to the end of the video because I think you'll find it particularly interesting how I explain the process of what I went through to become a profitable trader. So the fastest way to become profitable is to get a trading mentor or a trading coach. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a trading coach myself. I'm saying it as a bit of a thank you to my trading coaches that have coached me over the years. And I honestly believe that it is the fastest way and probably the cheapest way to trading success, and I'll explain why. I think you'll agree that trading is a profession, and a particularly hard one at that. The problem with trading is there's such a low barrier to entry. Now, anybody pretty much can sign up for a trading account and start trading immediately, and even have winning trades immediately. But I think you'll agree also that having winning trades month after month, or certainly year after year, that's a different story. That's when it becomes difficult, and that's where profitable traders set themselves apart from anybody who's just picking up a trading account to begin with. Let me ask you a question. If you wanted to fly an aeroplane, would you get in an aeroplane, start pushing the buttons, and expect to be able to fly it straight away? No, of course you wouldn't. What you would do is you'd go to a really good flight instructor and get him or her to show you the correct way to fly in the plane. And you probably wouldn't end up in a Facebook group asking someone's advice of how to fly a plane, or ask a neighbour how to fly a plane. You'd go to a professional. You'd go to a really good pilot or flight instructor. So why is trading so different to learning how to fly a plane, for example? Well, it's not. If you want to learn how to do anything well, then go and find someone who really knows what they're doing, someone who really knows how to do it and have learnt themselves, and get them to teach you. That will become the fastest way. If you want to learn how to do something really well and become good at something, you're going to go and find someone who's really good at it themselves, and you're going to get them to show you how to do it. Now, you might argue that that's an expensive way. You know, trading coaches or trading courses are expensive. They might charge you hundreds of pounds per hour to talk to them, or thousands of pounds for trading programs or courses. And why would you spend that when you can start doing it yourself? Because in the long run, it's going to be cheaper and definitely faster. Because in the long run, you're going to start racking up losses trying to work out this thing of trading yourself. You're going to end up losing time and blowing up accounts. So actually going to that person who really knows what they're doing is the best way. Let me tell you about my main trading mentors. The first one is a guy named Malcolm Pryor. Now, I met Malcolm back at a seminar in London back in 2012, I believe, and I hired him to coach me in 2013. We had a good series of one-to-one sessions over a period of about 6 months, and it really changed my trading for the better, and I've never looked back. What he did was introduce me to the idea of mechanical trading or rule-based trading. So for the next few years, I was intensely researching and trying to develop rule-based trading strategies, looking at charts, jotting numbers down in spreadsheets, creating equity curves, all that sort of good stuff. And I had some success. However, I was slightly limited. I found myself limited to just looking at daily charts. And that's about the time where I found my next trading mentor, a guy called Unga. If you've seen some of my trading videos before, you'll know that I often compliment or certainly give credit to Unga for a lot of the stuff that I do. He introduced me to more algorithmic trading using software, and introduced me to development processes that have just been invaluable for the last few years. And I chose him because he's a competition winner. He won the World Cup Trading Championships about 4 times, I believe. So he really knows what he's doing. And since then, I've taken the information that I've learned from both Malcolm and Andrea and my own experience and kind of created my own style of developing and trading all the different markets. But unfortunately, the trading business is full of scams and dishonest people. So as a word of warning, if you are going to take my advice and get a coach or a trading mentor, make sure you do a lot of research about the person and make sure that they trade in the way that you want to trade. Perhaps you want to be a mechanical or algorithmic trader, a bit like myself, but the trading mentor you pick is a discretionary trader who scalps off 1 minute charts. Then your values are not going to be in line. So make sure you pick the right person, but most of all, an honest person. And that about concludes this short but sweet video. So the fastest way for you to become a profitable trader is to go and find someone who's doing it themselves and to get them to teach you. I hope that helps. If you've liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And until next time, this is Jared Goodwin, and thank you.